That's the Fairfield Inn by Marriott in front of us. We're going to be staying here and we're going to go show you around. Walking in, I immediately see some Disney theming and I am loving it. There is Disney theming all around, and this hotel automatically already has everything that we need. Mickey Mouse. The rates were very reasonable when we stayed here. I love that they have a gift shop and a little store on site, so we didn't have to go anywhere else to get any of the necessities. They had a business center and a concierge area where you could speak with somebody and they could help you out with anything you might need for the parks. Look how happy this guy is. Look, Mickey's right next to you.
I know. So look at how excited he is too.
He is. He's super excited.
I bet he's eating today.
I bet he has. We're heading to our room, and we have a room that is on the back side of the hotel. We don't happen to have a theme park view. This is our room here at the Fairfield. We had signed up, or we had requested a king bed, but they didn't have it available, so we opted for the 2 queen beds just so we could check in. TV, dressers, desk. Maybe, let's see, shower and toilet. And then this little area, we have some coffee, place to put your luggage, and that's it. This is our hotel room. How's the chair over there, Tim?
Fantastic.
Yeah, okay.
My stomach, though, is feeling pretty weak.
Is it? Okay, well, let's go fix that.
Let's hit up Denny's.
We walked around to the front side of the hotel, and this is a theme park view, so you can request one of these rooms. We're on our way over to the park, so just to let you know, that's our hotel, and then this is going to be the short walk. Are you excited?
No.
It is a short walk. I would say it takes about 5 minutes, depending on the light. So this is the sidewalk. And we're going to take the sidewalk. We have a McDonald's, the Camelot Suites, Tropicana. We're going to take this short walk. You can see the monorail over there. So we're walking. All right, we have made it to Disneyland. We walked across the street, and we're going to now head into security. But that's how easy it is to walk over from any of the hotels from over there.